Today, I'm gonna show you my secret for making the most chocolatey vegan double chocolate chip muffins ever. The other day, I was at a coffee shop with my buddy and he ordered this double chocolate muffin and it looked so decadent and so delicious. The problem was it wasn't vegan, so I couldn't have any. So obviously, the best option was to come home, test a recipe for weeks, then shoot it, edit it, and share it with everybody. They're rich and chocolatey and full of flavor with this like moist, fluffy texture. They're so, so delicious. Let's make some super rich and decadent vegan double chocolate chip muffins. So we're making chocolate muffins today, but before we make the batter, we're gonna bloom our cocoa. Blooming cocoa is nothing fancy. All that it is mixing the cocoa with some hot liquid. In this case, we're gonna use hot non-dairy milk. When the cocoa absorbs in that liquid, it's gonna release more of that chocolate flavor and it's gonna give you a chocolatier result. And then this is our hot milk. And I just heated this up in the microwave, but you can heat it up on the stovetop if you prefer. You don't even have to yell at me about microwaves. And then we're just gonna mix this together. And this is just releasing all of that good chocolatey flavor into the milk. And so the muffins will be super duper extra chocolatey. You can smell that chocolate too. It smells so good. Now let's add the rest of the wet ingredients right to this same bowl. Some apple cider vinegar. This is gonna add some acidity. It's gonna help them get fluffy when it reacts with the baking powder. And it's gonna react with the milk right now and curdle it a little. And we're basically making vegan buttermilk like right in the mix with our wet ingredients. No extra steps needed. Add the sugar to the bowl. And now just a little oil. This gives it a great texture. If you hate oil, you can use applesauce instead, but it will impact the texture, but they'll still be delicious. And then the recipe says a teaspoon of vanilla, but I like to measure with my heart. And just mix until the sugar is dissolved in the liquid. Now it's time to mix the dry ingredients. And what I like to do when I'm working with flour, which I guess I should have done when I was working with the cocoa powder, is lay out a kitchen towel, because that way all the mess is here and I can just pick it up. We're just gonna spoon the flour right into the measuring cup. Now that's like more flour than we need, so I'm just using the back of the spoon to flatten the top. There we go. See, and there's flour everywhere, but it's not on the counter. What a dream. Now for real fluffy muffins, a whole bunch of baking powder. And just a little bit of baking soda and some salt. This is gonna condition the batter, and a little salt brings out that chocolatey flavor. I'm gonna use my whisk on the dry ingredients to get a nice even mixture. Now we just pour the wet ingredients into the dry. And you wanna mix it until you're not seeing like white bits of flour, but it's okay if there are some lumps. We almost forgot the chocolate chips, the most important part of a chocolate chip muffin. Then fold this in just so it's mixed evenly. It's muffin pan time. I like to use an ice cream scoop to scoop up my muffin batter, but you can use whatever works best for you. So let's do a little scoopy. And that one's a little underfull, but this one's a little overfull. So we're just gonna steal from you to fill up this one. And these are ready to bake. And look how easy it is to clean up. And this goes in the wash. Look how good they look. We're just gonna let these cool for 10 to 15 minutes and then we can eat. Cooling time is up, so I'm just gonna move these over here and take the muffins out of the baking pan. Don't they look so good? Look how chocolatey. These muffins are just absolutely delicious. They have this like deep chocolatey flavor in the batter and then all these creamy chocolate chips. I cannot wait for you to try them. These will keep in a closed container on the kitchen counter for about 3 to 5 days, but they never last that long in my house. I hope that this video answered all of your questions about how to make these double chocolate chip muffins. If you have any questions I didn't answer, drop a comment. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy cooking!